First ticker we're looking at, Tesla. The company has cut the price of its Model 3 sedan in China, with post-incentive costs of that car now down to around $43,000, with the stock up about 4% this morning after the company reported that its 2019 global sales rose 50%, topping the low end of its estimates for the full year. In the fourth quarter, the company delivered a record 112,000 cars. For the full year, 367,500 vehicles were delivered. The company had guided to 360 to 400,000 as its full year target. Now, 112, we can do the math there. It's annualized rate closer to 450,000 cars at this point. Tesla has made a lot of noise about 500,000 cars, 1 million cars in a year. Here we go. Everything is perfect.
Well, I also think Tesla is one of the companies that has the leakiest staff. So even all of this news, we sort of knew ahead of time, whether it's because of the, subsidy that the Chinese government
the staff
gave.
is the CEO tweeting.
Correct. Well, the CEO tweeting,
It's a sieve, that place.
or Reuters finding that one source, that constantly is talking. But all that to say, cutting the price of the Model 3 because the Shanghai plant has actually broken ground in much speedier time than anticipated. And I think a lot of folks were very surprised that, okay, this flashy announcement when he first was there a couple years ago, and the fact that they were actually able to start production at the end of this year is remarkable.
Yeah, look, we talked a lot at the end of the year about, wow, look how much changed for Apple from January 2019 to the end of 2019. But also look how much Tesla had a reversal of fortunes over the year. I mean, at one point, the stock really troughed. Musk was in a court case for calling someone a pedo. I mean, it was like my favorite joke about, is anything all right over here? I mean, the delivery number hadn't met 100,000 when he had internally sent a memo telling everyone, we're really close to 100,000, and they didn't hit 100,000. And people said, oh, hey, Tesla. And by the end of the year, stock way up. Now it's above that infamous 420 mark. He's tweeting, lol, the stock is so high. Things are pretty good.
Well, and just to contrast it to the Apple thing, Apple shares doubled, but I don't really think anything did change with that story fundamentally. Apple's just kind of still Apple.
Well, I just mean in January they issued a warning.
But Tesla had a lot of news, a lot of different news throughout the year, and I would suspect Tesla as a stock we'll talk about in the year ahead.
And just checking us too, we are fair weather fans, right? We are fair weather friends.
See, I think we'll give it up when it's due. We'll give full credit.
But I think it's
we are FUD. Tesla FUD.
We're a little bit
according to the Tesla.
In the moment. We're not
Tesla
Bitcoin
subreddit
FUDs,
thinks we're FUD.
Right. Hey, that was one hot Musk minute.
There you go.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.